Hi, I'm Gio Giovanni and you are watching Word of Gio. So today I'm going to be doing a wash and go. The products that I'm going to be using are the Mille pomegranate and honey coil sculpting custard. Say that 3 times. Coil sculpting custard, coil sculpting custard. So I'm going to be using the coil sculpting custard to do my wash and go. I've been using these products for about 2 months now, and I really love this line. I feel that it really allows my hair to have more hydration throughout the day. It's not a tacky substance on my hair. I don't have anything in my hair right now. I just finished washing my hair. But I feel that it's really improving the health of my actual hair. So let's get into it. So this is the coil sculpting custard. And literally, this is one of the best wash and goes I have ever had with this custard. Just look at that slip. And that's really what you want in any product, is great slip. You don't necessarily want it ripping out your hair. I love to really get it in between my hair as well, just so it can be hydrated throughout the day. Okay, so now that I've gotten the product all throughout my hair, I mean, look at the definition that this product really brings to my hair. My hair is very fine. It is curly, but it's very frizzy and big. I like to wear my hair back in a bun, in a protective style on a daily basis. And I really feel that this product allows me to not only elongate my curl, but it just offers the slip that I'm looking for. Because my hair is so fine, I find that certain products, when I am, putting the product into my hair, it will cling to my hair. And then as I smooth the product through my hair, I'll often come out with like chunks of hair sometimes. Not chunks, but I'll have some breakage in my hand. Kind of like this, but more. You know what I'm saying? With the Mille product, with the coiling, what is this? With the coil sculpting custard, I feel that because it offers so much slip, I do not have as much shedding as I do with other brands. So, oh my God, this slip is just so important to coily hair, to curly and coily hair, so that you're not causing unnecessary breakage to the hair. You know what I'm saying? Because coily and curly hair has so many points of breakage because of the wave pattern, because of the curl, so that when you have products that you're trying to put in your hair, it can often cause breakage while you're running the product through your hair. So for me, this slip is very important. I've been using this for the past 2 months, and I really feel that it has contributed to the health of my hair. so then that's it really. I just make sure I work the product through my hair, making sure that I cover my ends. And I also like to kind of put a little bit of it on my edges because, oh my God, I swear when I went to those braiders in New York years ago, my edges just never recovered. But I feel like, I don't want to say this product in particular, I've been working on my edges, but they are returning finally. You know what I'm saying? Because honey, ooh, I love my African sisters, but y'all really need to, you know, them edges, honey, y'all be snatching the life out of them. So finally my edges are growing back and the health of my overall hair is returning. And I really do have to credit all of the products that I have been using, which is, you know, my henna. I do a lot of henna. That has helped. I do a lot of oils. And now currently I'm using the Mille line, which I really, really love. So that's really it, guys. I just wanted to do a quick review on this because I feel that it's just been really beneficial to my overall health. And I'm focusing more on length retention. Length retention is very important when you have products that really help with the health of your hair breaks less, and then you're able to achieve the length that you want. And that's what I'm kind of focusing on. Check out my cute little style. This is how I wear my hair for just protective styling. I just throw it back in a bun. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments section if you have ever used the Mille product line. I think it's amazing. It's a whole entire line created by Mille Rodriguez, and I am just loving it. So thank you for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. I'm Gio Giovanni, and you are watching Word of Gio.